Got a couple of more reactions coming in on the story. Let's take a look at that. In fact, we have got a word coming in from Prime Minister Modi also congratulating Team Blue. Let's first hear what the Prime Minister has to say.
टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज 140 करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है। आपने क्रिकेट जगत के हर महारथी, उनके हर बॉल को खेला और आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त करते रहे। एक के बाद एक विजय की इस परंपरा ने आपके हौसले को तो बुलंद कर दिया, लेकिन इस पूरी टूर्नामेंट को भी रसप्रद बना दिया, रोचक बना दिया। आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त की है। मेरी तरफ से मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।
Well, that's the word coming in from Prime Minister Modi himself congratulating the team. He is not the only one. The entire nation came out and congratulated their favorite team, Blue, yesterday for that thumping victory that they bagged for themselves after finishing the 11-year-long drought. Of course, when we talk about the contribution of the players, we should not forget how our bowlers actually excelled as well. We should talk about Jasprit Bumrah, how he excelled. The last couple of overs played by Hardik Pandya as well. He wept because he became very emotional. Apart from that, that historic catch that Surya Kumar Yadav actually caught, and it was a very crucial wicket, ladies and gentlemen. That was the point in the match where everything turned around. The tables were turned at that point of time. We've got a couple of reactions from the fans, also from the ground. Let's take a look at all of those reactions as well.
स्कोर तो अच्छे खासे बन गए थे 276, लेकिन बाद में जो अंतिम क्षण में अक्षर पटेल जी की जो धुलाई हुई तो काफी हम लोगों का रन उलट पलट हो गई। अब तो साउथ अफ्रीका के पक्ष में गई, लेकिन बुमराह और जसप्रीत की वजह से जो बॉलिंग कसी हुई, गेंदबाजी की और उन्होंने विकेट भी निकाले, बस मैच पलट गई। ये मैं कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते जिस प्रकार साउथ अफ्रीका के पक्ष में गई। लेकिन मैंने पहले ही जानकारी दी थी 2007 की जीत टीम इंडिया करेगी रिपीट, आज हमें हो गई।
लेकिन एक चीज है, आज आप चैंपियन तो बन गए, लेकिन एक चैंपियन आज रिटायर हो रहा है।
मुझे बहुत दुख है कि उन्होंने रिटायर में आज अच्छी पारी खेली। इतने दिनों के बाद भी उन्होंने 76 रन की एक शानदार पारी खेलकर टीम इंडिया को T20 वर्ल्ड कप जीत में आगाज किए। लेकिन आज दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण उन्होंने T20 से अपना नाम वापस लिए, क्योंकि आगामी 2026 में भारत में ही हमारे T20 वर्ल्ड कप, इससे बहुत दुख हुई। जय हिंद।
अब रोहित की कैप्टेंसी को कैसे देखते हैं आप?
नहीं, कम से कम 2023 तो नहीं आ पाई, दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण, लेकिन 2023 आईसीसी ट्रॉफी रोहित शर्मा जी की कप्तानी में मैं बहुत बेहद खुश हूँ। और ये शक नहीं है भारत
Fans, of course, rejoicing after that emotional and thrilling ride of yesterday's match. Remember, he also mentioned the announcement that came in from Virat Kohli, who was also a player of the match in the T20 World Cup final. He announced his retirement yesterday from the format right after India's historic win, while bagging, of course, the player of match for himself. Apart from that, Rohit Sharma is also going to retire from the format. Virat Kohli, who has been one of the India's best ever cricketers, said that it was time for the next generation to take over. Although he has bagged for himself now 16 Player of the Match awards in the format, surpassing the tally of Surya Kumar Yadav with 15. So that is extremely historic for Virat Kohli himself. He was quite emotional. We saw a very emotional moment, in fact, transpiring between the captain as well as Virat Kohli, when both of them wept in each other's arms while congratulating each other. Something very big, something that Indian team was actually vying for. They have lost 0 matches throughout the tournament. They were in a top-notch form throughout the tournament. Couple of players played in couple of matches, couple of failed, but that's all. Like the word coming in from the coach himself, it was a team effort, and it reflected in yesterday's match. Of course, India lifted the second T20 World Cup at Barbados, making it the second only team to lift 2 World Cups in the same format while playing against South Africa. The South African team was also in a very brilliant form. India posted a target of 177 runs against them and won by 7 runs. Now, Rohit Sharma has managed to end India's 11-year trophy draw. That's something that we have been mentioning and emphasizing on since the very beginning of this bulletin. India, in fact, scored 176 runs for themselves, and in fact posted a target of 177 runs for South Africa to chase. And of course, again, won by 7 runs. Couple of more reactions coming in. Take a look.
And well, they executed well. They were well led by Rohit, but more than Rohit, led by Virat in the final, led by Bumrah all tournament. And I think Faral Dravid as well. You know, this is an excellent bonus for the hard work they've put in. It's been a while coming. So with all the resources India have, they'll be hoping this is another start to a long run.
Kohli retired today. Kohli retired today from T20 cricket. How you want to his career?
This is the best way to go out, isn't it? You want to go out with people gasping for more. And I think the timing of saying his T20 international career has come to an end is absolutely perfect. And this is the stuff of legend. I am happy for him personally because it's been a tough tournament, but this is a stamp of class of his career.
All right, so if we were to talk about the Player of the Match awards that Virat Kohli has bagged for himself, he has now 16, the most of any player in men's T20I, surpassing Surya Kumar Yadav's 15 number tally. Now, 8 of Kohli's 16 match awards, of course, have come in the men's T20 World Cup, while no one else has more than 5 in terms of the numbers. Apart from that, a quick trivia about Rohit Sharma as well. He now is, of course, the second oldest captain to have bagged the World Cup for himself. Remember, in 1992 World Cup, Imran Khan was the oldest. He was almost 39 years old when he bagged victory against England in that particular match. Now, if you were to talk about how Virat Kohli has registered the highest individual score for India in T20 World Cup finale, Virat even said that World Cup was his last T20 match for India. Of course, making all of his fans throughout the country, throughout the world, very emotional. We have got a couple of more reactions, in fact, coming in. Let's take a look at all of those. All right, so the shots that we are playing on your screen, the visuals, it's Kailash Vijayvargiya. He's celebrating India's victory with our Tiranga in his hand. You can clearly see fans also chanting for India's victory. Yesterday was an electrifying day. It was a roller coaster ride for all of us. The second inning were quite tight, but then, of course, the history was scripted. We managed to lift that cup after 11 years of drought, all thanks to Rohit Sharma and his team Blue. All right, with all of those visuals and developments with regards to the match that transpired yesterday, a history which was scripted yesterday, we have to sign out for